How to add music to Google Slides. Adding music to an otherwise text-heavy Google Slides presentation can spice it up. If you want to add music to Google Slides, you'll need to use a YouTube or Google Drive video, or link to a third-party streaming service instead. You can't add audio files to Google Slides presentations, but you can add videos. The easiest solution for users who want to add music to their Google Slides presentation is to add a YouTube video. This adds a YouTube video to your Google Slides presentation directly, loading the YouTube video player with playback options. Once a video starts playing, it will continue playing until you move on to the next slide. To start, open your Google Slides presentation and click on the slide where you want to add your YouTube video. In the top menu, click Insert Greater Than Video. You can search for YouTube videos in the Search tab of the Insert Video selection box. If you don't have a specific YouTube URL, use this search tool to find a relevant video. Once you've found a video, select it and then click the Select button at the bottom to add it to your presentation. If you already have a YouTube video you want to add and have the URL ready, click the By URL tab and then paste the web address in the provided box. Your video will be inserted into your chosen slide where you can resize it and move it into position. As an alternative to inserting YouTube videos, Google Slides users can insert their own private Google Drive videos. You can insert these videos from the same Insert Video selection box as above. As with YouTube videos, inserted Google Drive videos will continue playing until you move to another slide. To add a Google Drive video, go to your chosen slide, click Insert Greater Than Video, click the Google Drive tab, and then find your video from your cloud storage. You'll need to sync your video files to Google Drive first, using the PC app or by uploading the video from the Google Drive website. Once you've found a video in your Google Drive storage, click on it and then click the Select button. Your video will be inserted onto your slide. You can then move and resize it to suit your presentation. You can use this method to add videos only from the same Google account you're using to create your Google Slides presentation. If you want to insert other types of videos, you'll need to use a public YouTube video instead. Unfortunately, Google doesn't allow you to insert music files directly as you can with a YouTube or a Google Drive video. As a workaround, you can link to songs hosted on online streaming services like Spotify or SoundCloud instead. The music from one of these services will load in a background tab, where it'll continue playing until you close it manually or the audio finishes. To start, insert a suitable playback object for you to easily click during your presentation, such as an image, a shape, or a large text box. To insert a shape, for instance, click Insert Greater Than Shape and then select your chosen shape from the additional menus. With your mouse, drag to create your chosen shape. Once created, you can begin typing to add text to your shape to clarify its purpose. Right-click on your object and click Link from the menu. You'll need the URL for your chosen audio ready at this point. In the Link box, paste your audio URL from your chosen third-party service. Click the Apply button to confirm. It can do this in a separate tab only. However, so if you'd prefer to keep everything inside your presentation, use a Google Drive or YouTube video instead. Text source, howtogeek.com.